Good morning. Have you got a hangover?
Not even that cold, to be fair.
Been for a dip?
Aye. Wash me bit.
Mental.
It's warmer down there than it is up here, isn't it? Aye, it is actually. I found that.
Go back to Aye, I'll ring him in 2 seconds.
Aye, catch up, that's a good idea. Hello. He's gonna ring you back. He's gonna ring you back on his phone now because I've got shit signal. Alright, 2 seconds. No, he's like.
Crispy bacon. Trying to whack it on a morning. Well, it's been lovely here, but time to move on to the next spot. Catch the ferry back to the mainland and head across the borders, probably somewhere around St Mary's Loch. It's a pretty little island, Bute. I've just done a couple of inland roads. I think the most picturesque places on the island is definitely the coastline. It's a lovely coastline. So I would suggest if you were coming to Bute to head and stay near the coast. Definitely the most picturesque areas are on the coast. And quite a lot of spots to stay along the coast. All farmland inland. Not the most remotest of islands. Definitely nearly all farmland fenced off. So not really worth, I would say, exploring inland, but just to stick around the coast because it's beautiful, the coast. Yeah, very pretty. I've got something crawling around in my helmet, so I'm going to have to pull over. So this is Moffat, and there's some seriously impressive houses here. Some stunning properties. Some massive houses. Size of that thing there. Crazy. Wow. What's that? Absolutely beautiful here. What a place to live. Looks like our ferry coming in as well. Rothsea over there in the background. These houses are just absolutely incredible. Just at the Rothsea ferry terminal. Timed it perfectly by the looks of it. Not one for video and toilets, but I'm not one for usually video and toilets, but
Poshest toilet.
I've got a video of this toilet. This place, absolutely unbelievable. Look at that. Fully restored Victorian. Gorgeous. Wow. Incredible. Quick out the toilets. Stunning place, this Rothsea. Full of Victorian architecture. Absolutely beautiful place. I haven't got time to spend a little time walking around here. It's a pity. I've got here and the ferries coming in straight away. The promenade and the buildings are just unbelievable. All fully restored Victorian everywhere. Amazing. Love it. See all the properties over there. Took us straight to the front of the ferry queue as well, which is brilliant. Right, on the ferry. Champion, last one's there, first one's on, that's the way to do it. Nice little crossing, huh? Cracking little ferry. Weymouth Bay here now. So it's turned into an absolutely glorious day. 20 degrees, sunny. Gone from being absolutely beat to death by the wind and rain to glorious sunshine, sunbathing weather. Crazy. So this is Ardrossan, and there's palm trees in Scotland. Who would have knew it? Just heading along the road now to Dumfries. Just a quick heads up on this road, the A76 passes through a lot of little towns. Brilliant road, absolutely brilliant. It's a great road to get from the ferry across to the motorway, the A74M. Definitely choose the A76 class road. If you leave the A76 and turn onto the B740, this road's absolutely fantastic, and along this road you've got endless amounts of wild camping. There's this road, it runs parallel with the Dalveen Pass, and there's just camp spot after camp spot. You might have seen on the previous video that I've uploaded, I'll pinpoint the location where we actually did a wild camp. But a brilliant road as well. Can he rut there on the massive big rut right on the braking line into that little hairpin there. Lovely. Lock the back wheel up for about 8 foot there. All fun and games though. Whoops, yeah, bugger. Don't know what the hell happened there. Brings back memories of me monkey bike days. Too fast, I said, yeah. Taking pegs down, trying to keep up with them. Come past Ian. Go alongside him here. Yeah. sheepsies. What a road. That's the B740. It's on the A701 now. Leads you into Moffat and also leads you out to Moffat. And when it leaves Moffat, the road is absolutely brilliant. Class road, both sides. Some brilliant bike riding roads around Moffat area. It's a class base. You're staying there or something. This cheeky little spot they've got. Plenty of firewood and all. Unlimited supply of firewood. Whoa! Get down, lad. What the hell? I don't know why it does that. Oh, get out, you big heavy bastard, you. Like resting on a flipping Sherman tank round these little corners. Whoop, you bugger. Right over there. Speedo wasn't working properly there. They keep blurring out, like pixelating. I don't know what's the matter with it. Moffat coffee and strand. A bit of salad. We do with a bit of salad. Shit we've been eating.
Great, thank you.
Ian's ordered a wee mountain. Look at that. Summit up there.
Of course, it's got some poison in it. Anybody
So we're going to
wants
get
some
some
cucumber?
scran in Moffat and then head over to Wild Camp at St Mary's Loch somewhere. We'll do a midgie count first, I think, though. Bit hot now, 25 degrees, burning, melting. And a trolley full for the night. See what Gino's going to cook up for the night. Very surprised. So this is the road from Moffat to St Mary's Loch. So just came in from Moffat on this road here. And this St Mary's Loch. Put the tents up. Camping is allowed as long as you purchase a camping permit. It's not quite wild camping, but you please yourself what you do. Cost you £10 a night. There's a cafe that open from 10 till 4. There's a toilet block open all night. One hand basin, one toilet. It's a lovely little spot if you like a bit of supboarding or kayaking or fishing. You can get a fishing permit from the cafe as well. I'll show you where we've got the tents pitched for tonight. I'm being quiet because it's really quiet here. Beautiful little spot, proper beautiful. Looks like there's a bunch of old deers gone for a dip in the loch. There's also a big skip there, which you can put your rubbish in. Big car park. You're not allowed to camp over to the right hand side because that area is reserved for picnics and day visitors. But anywhere over there or in front or up the side is allowed. It says no camping, but it is allowed. We tried to stop it, but everyone just came anyway, so we started charging it for it. So we'll park the bikes in the car park. You could ride them up to your tent if you wanted. We were happy just leaving them there. A nice little setup here, right on the loch. No midges again. An act of God that we haven't been bit to death. Going away to Scotland in August. I might have spoke too soon, but number one, ready-made fire pit. Number two, chefs, Gordon and Gino. A big bag of food for the night. Not that they can beat last night's because that was something special. That was something special. Tonight's tipple, Goose Island IPA, 5.9%, £1.85 a can. Excuse the filthy glass, and I think this is the one that fell out the top box. Cheers. Fruity, hoppy and bitter. Quite bitter. Okay. 6 out of 10. Not the best, and I bought 4 of the buggers. Bollocks. So starters are served. Fine selection of Italian meats and some cheese from Co-op.
Co-op and some cheap wine from the Co-op.
Some cheap wine. Excellent, brilliant. Nice starters though.
Ready.
Yeah?
Take a pic.
Gordon and Gino. Fancy starters.
Right, mate, I'm with you.
One little bit of that arm left, don't forget that. Looks easy now, have to tell.
Why don't we set the fire away? Set it
No
all
oven,
away.
lads.
Put it in the fire.
No oven.
Garlic butter.
We're making chips.
Aye, fire one of them
handmade
logs
chips.
there.
Might take a while though.
We made garlic butter.
Oh yes. And garlic with there.
Chip pan. Hang on, what's this? Big juicy steaks as well.
It's so long.
Fucking told you.
The biting bastards are out. And a bit of a disaster there, but normal
Careful, you're
service.
tipping it down the side.
Normal service resumed. Pangias are definitely not the best thing.
We're cooking chips on. Picking off them chips. Please. Carefully.
Chips to fry with onion garlic. Home cooked chips
With onions.
and onions. And paprika. Oh, look at them.
Let's get the chip buddies going.
Sourdough. Cooked sourdough, chip butty. Oh, look at that.
I'm gonna eat.
Sourdough chip butty.
Yeah, that sound for me.
Mmm.
Is that ketchup on
Beautiful.
it? Yeah. Yeah.
Gordon and Gino are unreal. Quite welcome on every trip.
Look at that.
Well done. Much praise.
Well, I'm going for a curry them already.
So last night on a 5-night wild camp with one campsite. What do you think about the wild camping side, Josh?
Brilliant. My first experience while camping on the bike, actually. Brilliant. Last night's spot in Bute was brilliant. Right on the beach. Little pebble beach it was. Brilliant.
Quiet.
And then a brilliant ride down here today.
Yeah, it was a great ride today.
Dry, that was the main
Brilliant
thing.
roads.
So the wild camping, brilliant adventure. It is nice to have a campsite thrown in
Need
as
a
well.
shower at least.
For your facilities, your showers. But definitely if you're looking for an adventure, wild camping is the way to go.
I hope you all enjoyed this series and many thanks for watching and subscribing. We had a class time making it. All permitting, we'll have a new video every couple of weeks.